Hello, my friends. I have 3 fun items to share with you today, and I have to give you the heads up. 2 of them are limited edition. What does limited edition mean at the Stamps of Life? It means that once it's gone forever. Okay, so you have to get it now if you like it. Now, if you don't like it, then well, you're okay, but chances are you're gonna like it. Now, what we like to do now for our limited edition is we offer it to our club members 24 hours before we offer it to the general public. That way our club members have a head start and they get a chance to buy it first. Because, you know, it's just another extra club member perk. So if you're not a club member, you need to join to get even just that one perk alone. It's worth it. Now, on this limited edition, I just happened to glance at the numbers that we ordered for this limited edition, and I'm just gonna say, you better hurry. In fact, once you see it, if you like it, stop the video, go buy it, then come back and watch the video, because I was a little surprised that's all we ordered. So I'm just giving you a heads up now. I don't want any emails. Don't email me tomorrow or in 2 days or whatever saying, I wish I would have gotten it now. I know. That's why, you know, it's kind of just adds excitement when we have a limited edition, because then the ones that get it say, woohoo, I got it, woohoo, I got it. And you know, I mean, it's kind of cool, right? So it's more exciting when you get limited edition things. So if you like it, go get it ASAP. Now, I'm going to show it to you, and it's going to look like nothing because it's backwards and it's little and you're not going to see it, but the samples I have are going to knock your socks off. In fact, let me pull those samples first so we can show you those right away. Oh, they're on top already. Okay, ready? It is an alphabet set. We have the uppercase and we have the lowercase. The lowercase comes with the numbers. Okay, so we have the uppercase and the lowercase. It's a script font and it is amazing. Now, let me just show you the samples because you have to see the samples. So here's one with just the number 5, which is funny because I'm just showing you that. But it has the cute little 5. It has the number and the shadow, okay? Here's one with the lowercase, home. Isn't that beautiful? It is a nice, fun script. Ooh, here's one with fierce. So now you can customize your projects with someone's name, with a special thing. You can have it say anything. Here's one that says many thanks, and it has a whole bunch of thanks. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that fun? Font fun? Here's one. Ooh, Vanessa had it say her name, Vanessa. I love that. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Woo, I love that. Now, on these alphabets, you need to make sure that you're using our adhesive sheets on the back because they're so incredibly thin. I want you to see how thin that is. Look at that. I almost wish I had here's my scissors to compare how thin those are. You'll definitely want the adhesive sheets on the back. So when you die cut those, you can easily just peel off the backing and stick it down, and you're not trying to add your tape runner. Look at how thick my tape runner is compared to that letter. It just doesn't work, right? So definitely get the adhesive sheets. You might already have them. You probably already have some. Maybe you need to stock up. But these alphabets are going to go fast. Alphabets always go fast because, you know, you're able to personalize and have it say different things. Now, I love the uppercase and the lowercase. And what I did was I included the numbers with the lowercase to make you really want the lowercase. I didn't want it to make it 3 items. I wanted to make it just 2 items. So we have the uppercase and the lowercase with numbers. Okay, again, it's very limited. If you like it, get it. If you don't like it, then we're good. Okay, now that's the one thing. And I'm telling you, once they're gone, they're gone. The other item that we have is, and I'm going to show it to you again, and it's not going to look like much, but I'm going to demo this one for you too. It is drop-in words that say hello and celebrate. And what do I mean by that? Look at that. Isn't that fun? You're going to drop it in and it's going to say celebrate. Now, the funny thing is when I sent the samples of these dies, because what happens is the samples come into me, I send them out to the team. I don't really tell the team much, but then I wait and I get the samples back to see what they've done with them, because I like them to be able to be creative on their own without me telling them anything. Well, I noticed when the samples came in, I loved their samples, but I felt like something was missing. So my team doesn't even know this, by the way. I'm surprising them right now. You're getting an extra 2 dies than what my design team got. This comes with 4 dies, not 2 dies. My design team only got 2 dies, and you're getting 4. And I'll explain that in just a second. So here we have the cute celebrate. Here we have the hello, and look at how fun that is. Look at that. It cuts it out completely. Isn't that exciting? I love that. Hello. Isn't that fun? So there's the hello. Here's the celebrate. Oh, and again, it's cut out so you can literally see through it. Isn't that fun? I know. I love these. They just add so much. So it just makes it so different. Or you could just add a different color behind it. But it's fun because like when you send it to someone, it's like a cutout. And they always go, whoa, how'd you do that? And I love that. I love getting that wow factor. Here's another one, hello. And you can open that up and it just cuts it out. I just love how it just cuts it out like that. And here we have, oh, here's a cookie, celebrate. And you can do it just like that if you want. Here's another one, cut out, hello. We should call them cutouts or something, right? And then here's another one, hello, hello, hello. Isn't that fun? Now, let me show you why you're getting 4 dies instead of 2 like my design team. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring our machine in and I'm gonna grab a piece of cardstock. Of course I grab guava because you know guava's like my favorite pink, although candy and raspberry are kind of taking over too. So here we have our guava. We're gonna lay that down and of course I'm using the, oh, I just bonked myself in the head. I'm such a dork. Okay, but this die is the most important die you will ever have in your life, okay? Why is that? Because it makes an A2 size card. So we're gonna lay that down and we're gonna run this through. How many times have you gone to your trimmer and you've trimmed a piece of cardstock in half and then you've taken it to your scoring tool and you've scored it in half perfectly and you didn't get the perfect card? Well, now this die and more dies coming soon are gonna cut the perfect A2 size card, dun, 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 just like that. Isn't that fantastic? Now you don't have to worry, oh, do they line up or anything like that. It's done for you. And I even keep this die literally right there. Now, what we're gonna do here is I just have a card base. Really easy peasy, nothing exciting. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the hello and celebrate and we're gonna peel this off. And we can do a couple different things with this. One, let's do the hello. One, we could simply take this and we're gonna lay, so it has the die that goes around it, but we're not gonna use the die that goes around it. We're gonna have it just like that. We're gonna line that up and we're gonna put it at a little bit at an angle so we don't get a speed bump. Smaller die means smaller cutting pad. Lay that down and run that through. Dun, 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 dun. I'm just gonna run it back because I wanna make sure it really cuts out. You don't have to do that at home, but when you're doing it on video, it's just better. Now what I have is, oh my word, look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Here, let's put that behind it so you can really see it. Isn't that fun? I love that. I love that. It just says, oh, it's got an extra piece. There we go. Now you can see the hello. Isn't that fun? But, so that's what my design team got for the hello. But I was thinking, you know what? I feel like there's something missing. I feel like we need this extra piece. So what are we doing with this extra piece? Let me show you. Number one, first we're just gonna die cut it out, okay? It's just a little rectangle. We're going to die cut it out. Dun, 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 dun. And we have what looks kind of like a boring rectangle. But when we bring it over here and we get some adhesive, we're gonna just add, oh, let's get this here. We're just gonna add a little bit of adhesive to our letters here. So we're gonna, it's really cold, there we go. It's really cold in here, so we're gonna, there we go. So we're just gonna add a little bit of adhesive. You would do this better at home, but I'm just doing it quickly. And we're gonna layer this green behind the pink. So now, dun, 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 look at that. Isn't that great? So now you can really see the hello. But wait, there's more. Because what else we can do is, let's say we're like, oh, I really like that, but I wanna do something a little different. I wanna take the die I just used, the rectangle, and I'm gonna take the hello and I'm going to nest them just like that. And I'm gonna run them all through at the same time. Ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. We're gonna run that through, and it would have been smart to have adhesive on the back already, wouldn't it have? And now what we have is we have it cut out and not in our card. So here it is in our card. It's staying in our card forever and ever. Here we have it completely just cut out, and now I can, ooh, what if I put it right there? Look at that, 2 different ideas. So it's the same dies, but different concepts. Now I could even take this a step further, and let's just do it right now and see what that looks like, because I want to show you. So now I'm going to grab, oh, let's grab lemonade. Oh, our new colors. Aren't you all in love with our new colors? I'm, oh, so in love. I'm telling you, that raspberry knocks my socks off. Although cherry, I'm like, People always ask me, what's your favorite new one? I'm like, I can't tell you that because I don't know. I change all the time. So here we go. And now what we have is that rectangle again, right? But look at this. So here we have the two options. There's the two options, option 1, option 2. But wait, what if I take this little rectangle and put it behind this and add that to it? Now I kind of have 3 options. So I have 1 option, I have 2 options, or add it to that and add it to there, 3 options. Is that awesome or what? Just by adding that extra die. So my design team's gonna email me right away and say, can we get those extra dies? Yes, don't worry, I'll take care of you guys, don't worry. But that's why I like to be able to see what people do with it, and then I tweak a little. And I wanna make sure you're getting more bang for your buck and more options. And so that's why we have 1, 2, 3 different options with 1 die. Don't forget there's also Celebrate in this kit as well. Isn't that awesome? Okay, club members, of course you're getting the club discounts on the limited edition products and any products that we have on our website except the Big Shot machines. If you're not in the club, you have to join. It's only $11.95 a month, and that includes a stamp set each month, so you're like set because you're getting the discounts, you're getting the special notice on all the extras. Oh, blah, blah, blah. There's so much. Thank you so much. If I went too fast on any of the card samples, don't worry. You can pause the video and rewind, or you can go to our gallery and check it out. So go check out our gallery and our website at thestampsoflife.com, and I will see you there. Bye-bye.